If you're looking for motivation, empowerment, and the way to unlock your greatest potential, you've come to the right place. Transformation isn't a random event. It's a conscious decision to liberate oneself from the usual and embrace the extraordinary. Today, we're delving deeply into the remarkable journey of personal transformation. We're on the verge of exploring the astonishing power inherent in each of us to change, develop, and shape a life beyond our wildest dreams. Let's commence by understanding that change initiates with a decision, a choice that emanates from the depths of your heart. So, when you make a determined decision, the energy behind it becomes a potent force of nature. It resembles a thunderstorm of resolve that shakes up the established order within you. Picture yourself at a crossroads. You've come to realize there's something you wish to alter, a belief you're eager to release, or a new version of yourself that you aspire to embody. That's where it all commences, with a decision. Well, Joe, you might ponder, is a decision simply an expression of wanting something different? It surpasses that notion. When you decide with resolute intent, it's akin to declaring to the universe, "This is it. I'm earnest about this change." Consider intent as the fuel that propels your decision. Therefore, it's more than a casual aspiration, it's a fervent desire, a dedication deeply rooted in your heart. When you infuse this level of intent into your decision, something enchanting transpires. The energy behind your choice transforms into a force to be reckoned with, doesn't it? Thus, intent is like a fervent wave that courses through your being. It's like cranking up the determination dial. And this energy, my companions, can override even the most entrenched old patterns in your brain and the emotions that have been restraining you. Recognize those moments when you've exclaimed, "Enough is enough. I'm making a change." That's the sort of intent we're addressing. It's akin to drawing a line in the sand and proclaiming, "This is where my old tale concludes and my new journey commences." And guess what? Your physique pays heed. It's like a finely tuned instrument, constantly attuned to your thoughts and emotions. The instant you make that compelling decision, your body reacts, your heart quickens its beat, adrenaline surges, and your mind begins to align with your choice. It's almost like your entire being is shouting, "Yes, we're going for it." You know, when you make a decision with such purpose, it marks an unforgettable moment in your life. You'll always recall where you were, the exact time, and the surge of determination you felt. And here's the exciting part. The stronger the emotion fueling your decision, the more it etches into your memory. Have you ever noticed how vividly you remember events tied to strong emotions? That's the potency of intention in action. It's a proclamation, a dedication, a pact you make with yourself and the universe. It's an invitation to craft a new reality that aligns with your deepest aspirations. Now, this is where it gets captivating. Your body is in tune with your mind. The moment you opt for change, your body reacts to that choice. Have you experienced those unforgettable moments when a surge of determination overcame you? The ones where you can recall the precise time, place, and the company you were in? That's a moment of unity among your body, heart, and mind. So, the intensity of your emotions heightens this alignment. It's like cranking up the commitment volume. The stronger the emotion, the more deeply that choice imprints in your memory. Even pain can spur change. When you're pushed to a corner and firmly decide, "This is it, I'm making a change no matter what," that's when the magic begins. Your mind and body are like inseparable best friends, in constant communication, always exchanging information. Your thoughts, your emotions, everything sends signals to your body. It's an ongoing conversation that's been happening since the day you were born. Here's the fascinating part: your body is incredibly intelligent. Comprising trillions of cells, each working together to keep you alive and well. And guess what? They're all attentively observing what's transpiring in your brain. Let's say you're on the couch, contemplating going for a run tomorrow. Your brain initiates signals, and your body pays attention. It readies itself by releasing a dash of adrenaline, gearing up for action. Your brain and body are perfectly synchronized. But here's the intriguing aspect. Your body is so astute that it can predict your actions even before you consciously decide to act on them. It's like your body possesses a crystal ball, granting it a glimpse into the future. Imagine you've been contemplating standing up from the couch. Your body understands it needs a boost of adrenaline to support that action of standing up. So, even before you consciously decide to stand, your body starts getting ready. But if you've been thinking, "I'll start exercising tomorrow," while you're still on the couch, your body receives a different message. It's like your body's inner voice saying, "Nah, we're not really committed to this right now." So, what's the key here? It's about aligning your mind and body with your intentions. When you're determined to make a change, your body should feel that same determination. That's when the real magic occurs. Remember those moments when you made a choice with strong determination? Perhaps you said, "I don't care how difficult it gets, I'm making this change." You felt it deep within you, didn't you? That's when your mind and body are in sync, shaping a new future. Transformation isn't just about thinking or deciding, it's about feeling it profoundly. It's about letting your body and mind resonate with the same rhythm, creating a harmony of determination and focus. So, the next time you're aiming for change, don't just contemplate it. Feel it with every cell in your body, align your thoughts, emotions, and actions. That's when you become a force to be reckoned with, a genuine catalyst for transformation. Real change takes place when your intention resonates with your emotional state. It's like a symphony where your intention prompts your body to dance to a new melody. But remember, it's not a one-time event. Consistency is the key. You need to keep generating that shift in energy because that's what disrupts your reality. Your comfort zone is like a cozy bubble, where everything feels secure and familiar. It's where your routines, habits, and known experiences reside. However, transformation doesn't happen within this snug bubble. It's an adventurous soul always seeking new frontiers. You see, your comfort zone acts like a magnetic force, pulling you back into your old ways. It's that voice whispering, "Stay where it's comfortable. Change is intimidating." But here's the truth. Genuine growth and transformation occur when you step beyond that bubble. Now let me share a secret with you. The most amazing experiences of your life await just beyond that comfort zone. It's the realm where you challenge yourself, face the unknown, and declare, "Hey, I'm ready to evolve." Picture this. You're standing at the edge of a metaphorical cliff. You've made the choice to leap into something new, a new career, a new way of thinking, a new version of yourself. As you stand on the brink of this change, you might sense a blend of excitement and fear. And that's the special point, where excitement and fear intersect. This is where magic happens. This is where you're on the verge of growth, on the brink of transformation. The energy from both these emotions propels you into uncharted territory. Remember when you faced a challenge head-on? Maybe you were nervous, but you faced it anyway. And what occurred? You uncovered strengths you didn't know existed. You learned, you adjusted, and you evolved. Here's the truth. Growth doesn't occur within the comfort zone. It takes place in the stretch zone, just beyond that bubble where things might feel a little uncomfortable. But that's where the real growth lies. Let's say you've always believed you're not good at public speaking. Your comfort zone advises, stay quiet. It's safer. But what if you decide to take a public speaking class? Initially, it might make you nervous, But with practice, you'll stretch your abilities and gain more confidence. Now, I won't deceive you. Stepping out of your comfort zone can be intimidating. It might even trigger your body's stress response. But that's alright. It's a sign you're on the right path. Embrace that discomfort because on the other side of it lies growth and transformation. The next time you find yourself at the edge of your comfort zone, remember that you're standing on the threshold of greatness. You're about to explore uncharted territory and tap into your untapped potential. Let go of the fear. Hold on to the excitement and take that leap. Whether it's learning a new skill, embracing change, or becoming the best version of yourself, it all begins by pushing past that comfort zone and embracing the boundless possibilities that lie beyond. Let's discuss that internal struggle. You know those instances when you think, "I'll change tomorrow," all while juggling your phone, TV, snacks, and more. Your body responds with a casual, "He's just bluffing again." There's no trigger to shift gears. That's why genuine transformation requires focused intention. You need to take charge of your emotional state. It's like conducting your own inner symphony. And yes, it takes effort. That's why I emphasize, don't wait for circumstances to change to alter your state of being. This is where the real magic resides. Create that shift in energy within you and witness the world around you shifting as well. In this inner arena is where the true action unfolds, where you determine whether to conquer challenges or let them conquer you. It's a realm of constant change, yet brimming with immense potential. Now, here's a vital point to grasp. Your mind holds the ability to shape your reality. It operates like a formidable commander issuing directives to your thoughts and emotions. When faced with hardships, it's your mind that can change the course of the battle. Picture this scenario. You encounter a challenge that appears insurmountable. Perhaps it's a significant work presentation, a personal setback, or a goal that feels beyond your grasp. The initial reaction might be fear or doubt, and that's entirely natural. But here's where the immense power of your mind comes into play. Instead of allowing those negative emotions to take charge, you can opt for a different response. You can affirm to yourself, "I can handle this. I've confronted challenging situations before." It's about shifting your mindset from one of defeat to one of empowerment. It's akin to putting on armor and stepping onto the battlefield with confidence. Your thoughts and beliefs become your allies, aiding you in navigating the challenges that come your way. You might ponder, "But Joe, how do I triumph in this inner battle?" Well, it commences with self-awareness. Pay attention to the thoughts that surface when faced with challenges. Do they uplift and bolster you, or do they bring you down? Challenge those negative thoughts. Don't allow them to define your reality. Substitute them with positive affirmations, with thoughts that remind you of your past triumphs, your strengths, and your resilience. It's akin to arming yourself with the arsenal of positivity. However, let's embrace the truth. The inner battle isn't about suppressing negative thoughts. It's about acknowledging them, comprehending their origin, and then intentionally choosing to focus on thoughts that uplift you. It's about nurturing a mindset that serves your greater good. Remember, you wield the power to mold your reality through your thoughts and beliefs. When faced with challenges, inquire within, "What thoughts will propel me past this hurdle?" It's not about feigning perfection, but about choosing thoughts that guide you toward solutions. So, on the battlefield of challenges, remember that your mind stands as your staunchest ally. Equip yourself with positivity, self-assurance, and a resolute mindset. Confront your obstacles directly, and let your thoughts serve as your clandestine tools of triumph. The internal struggle transcends merely surmounting challenges. It's about mastering your mind and unlocking your boundless potential. When executed adeptly, synchronization occurs. Picture synchronization as a graceful dance between your mind and body. When they harmonize their movements, remarkable occurrences take place. It's akin to witnessing a symphony where every instrument plays in harmony, composing a melodious life tune. In this scenario, you play the roles of both the conductor and the orchestra. Let's suppose you've set a potent intention, a goal, a dream, a vision of your ideal future. Your mind is sharp, your emotions are elevated, and your actions are in harmony with that intention. This is synchronization in motion. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions all align toward the same objective, you establish a robust, energetic congruence. It's like tuning into a specific frequency that harmonizes with the reality you aspire to create, and the universe responds to that frequency. Consider this: your thoughts act as the architectural plans for your reality. They lay out the blueprint for what you wish to achieve. Your emotions fuel and breathe life into those blueprints. Consequently, when you experience joy, gratitude, and excitement for your objective, you amplify its materialization. Now, the enchantment occurs when your actions synchronize with your thoughts and emotions, correct? Envision you're engrossed in a project. Instead of mechanically executing tasks out of obligation, you're immersed and enthusiastic. You're aligning your actions with the energy of success. This alignment emits a potent signal to the universe, akin to a radio station broadcasting a clear transmission. Just like adjusting your radio dial, the universe tunes into your frequency and begins sending back experiences, opportunities, and circumstances that align with your intention. However, synchronization isn't a one-off event. It's a habitual discipline. It's about unfailingly aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome. Picture it like playing your favorite tune on repeat until it becomes etched into your mind. Ponder athletes who mentally rehearse their performance before a significant game. They synchronize their mental rehearsal with their physical actions. And what happens? They perform at their best because they've programmed their mind and body for success. Everything starts with awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts. Do they align with your goals? Or do they create doubt? Then check your emotions. Do they uplift you or bring you down? Once you're aware of any misalignments, start making conscious shifts. Choose thoughts that support your goals and generate positive emotions. And when it comes to actions, infuse them with intention and enthusiasm. It's like conducting your own symphony of success. The power of synchronization lies within you. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you become a magnet for the experiences you want to attract. You're not just a passive observer, you're an active participant in creating your reality. So practice the art of synchronization. Tune your mind and body to the frequency of your dreams. Align your thoughts with intention, fuel your emotions with positivity, and let your actions reflect your vision. Get ready to witness the universe dance to your tune and bring your desires to life. You possess a force within you that's waiting to be unleashed. Change isn't just a choice, it's your birthright. Every decision, every intention, and every emotion is a brushstroke on the canvas of your destiny. Embrace the discomfort, the uncertainty, and the challenges because they're all part of the magnificent tapestry of transformation. Just like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and countless others, you have the power to shape your reality. Let's dare to dream, to evolve, and to become the architects of our destiny. If you found inspiration in our exploration today, and I believe you have, I encourage you to join our community of like-minded individuals. Don't miss out on future insights and empowering discussions that will propel you on your journey to greatness. So, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos filled with wisdom, guidance, and motivation.